What's up, YouTube? So it's gonna be a ride along. We're gonna do a full pet treatment for this customer. She calls me about once a year. She's usually pretty hammered because she's got pets. I mean, you know, customers love their pets, and they'd rather deal with the problems than not have a pet. And it's understandable. I love pets too. I love dogs. And yeah, but it's gonna cost some money to maintain those carpets to live in a clean household. This customer calls me about once a year, and we do amazing work for her. So let's just go check it out. All right, you ready to go? Are you ready? First, go ahead and hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed to me yet. Maybe you think you have, but you haven't. Hit that subscribe, and let's get this carpet looking amazing again. Alright, so master closet here. You can see the rest of the house is the same way. Customer uses me about once a year. Yeah. The pets run it, but we get it cleaned up. Alright, so vacuum's done. So full pet treatment on this one, wall to wall, Green Rhino cocktail. And this is the Protein vacuum. And switched over to this about 4 years ago. It might have been 6 years ago actually. Time flies. Love it. So this is the only one I'll ever get. It's got HEPA filters. The cord goes. You can plug it in one end of the house, and a lot of medium-sized, single-family homes, you don't even have to unplug it. Of course, wide right there, you can fly through the jobs, and the vacuum port right here is closer to the middle. A lot of the stuff you get in the box stores and stuff, it'll be over here. That means on this end, you're not getting good vacuum. So many good things about this vacuum right here. Only thing I don't like about it is that's not too long, right? I guess you can get an extension or whatever. So, but if you're doing stairs or upholstery, not the best, but I do it every day. Yeah, nice. Now there is a smell in there, more of a pet dander smell. So a real good vacuum is very, very smart to do, guys. Actually, do it or get a better review. And for the deodorizer part of it, I'm going ahead and use Sagercide Eucalyptus Odor Destroyer. This is the only one I use for deodorizing. And I'm going to go ahead and mix up my stain removal part of this cocktail and get to pre-spraying. So this is 3 bedrooms and a small runner. area rug, and a master closet. So just a little over 2 gallons should do the job. Okay. Look at the power, guys. 120 psi, and this flows it on backpack sprayer. Okay, see how they are right now? Just the pre-spray. So whenever I do a full pet treatment, I make sure I do it the full pre-scrub. So everywhere, just scrubbing that deodorizer in there, stain removal, just everything in there, right? Giving it maximum dwell time. So you see, I haven't even pulled out my hoses yet. So right now the solution's working, and it's gonna work even better with this. By the time I pull everything out, I'm gonna get 15 minutes, 20 minutes of dwell time, and that's good for this cocktail. As you can tell, all those stains right here are gone already before I even scrub. That one was a little tough, but gone now. Alright, that's it for the pre-scrubbing. Now, time to go ahead and leave this out for right now. Hook up my hoses and extract the fun part, the final results part, you know, the great reveal part. That's why I like watching those home remodel. Yeah, it's a little dirty. Yeah, get a little solution on there, but it wipes up really easy. This is kind of a floor mat you can put in these things. It looks better, protects from all this stuff too, scratching. But yeah, so those home remodel, you know, before and afters, the great reveals. I get that all the time with my customers. Oh my God, they can't believe it. And they tell all their friends. Pretty soon, I have a bunch of recommended customers, and my business is in good shape. All right, so that's what you should be doing too, by the way. I hate these things. Sometimes they don't work and they just spray everywhere. Just in case if you're thinking I didn't do behind the doors, I did. I just didn't record it. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for this one. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of tile lately. This part of the season, the beginning of the year for some reason, is really busy with tile. The rest of the year, not so much, you know. Kind of weird, I don't know. Gotta figure that one out. But yeah, that's why it's pretty dirty. Yeah, I need to get in here today and wipe this down, make it look good. This presentation, everything. But this is still a lot more organized than most carpet cleaners. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get payment for this. Stay tuned for the invoice, and you can see how much I made. And let's see what time it is. Hour and 10 minutes. Stay tuned.